Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. But before I get into it, of course, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and I just want you to know that I appreciate all of you, and if you have not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you did. More the merrier. But go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you know when I have new products, or not new products, but new videos coming up. And then also just give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And you can always leave me a comment or a question down below, and I will answer you as soon as I can. So, with that being said, this is a new to me company. Now, I have never done an unbagging for them before, but this comes from FGOBY. Now, I don't know if that's just an initial or if it's actually called FGOBY, but it's FGOBY. So, I got a couple paintings from them. Okay, so this, I guess they just threw this in because I did not order this. But these are clips. There's 3 of them. And them are pretty strong. And that is like a rubber in the middle there. But this would probably be good to hold your light pad, your painting onto your light pad. So yeah, I don't know how much these are because, like I said, I didn't order these. I guess they just threw them in, which thank you, because I can always use these. All right. So we'll just put those to the side. Now, what I got was 2 canvases. And as you can see from this one, you probably already know what it is. But let's unroll it. Now, this is a poured glue round, and it is a 40 by 40. And I hope y'all can see this. But it's the Sanderson sisters. But I thought this was a very good rendition of them. I've seen a lot of different canvases with them on it. Because, you know, of course, it's almost Halloween. And plus they have the new movie coming out. So these are anything with Hocus Pocus and the Sanderson sisters on it. It's really hot right now. But I have seen some canvases that were okay. But I seen this one and I thought, oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And it looks so good. So I snatched this one up. But on the site, this is called Crazy Witch. And it's $11.99. Okay. It comes with a regular toolkit, which is your green boat, pink wax, pink pen. That's it. And that's all you need to complete your canvas. I might pull my sleeves up. Alright, like I said, this is a round drill kit. So, we have got greens, we've got reds, orange, we've got, you know what, let's just open it. Why not? We'll look at these and then we'll look at the canvas. I usually don't open the drills when I have more than one canvas to show, but, you know, why not? So, they are numbered. There are 24 colors in the kit, so they are numbered up to 24. And they do have the kit, or the canvas number, listed on it. Right there. and right there. That way, when you put your drills somewhere other than with the canvas, you'll be able to know that this set of drills goes with this set of canvas, or this canvas. But I cannot talk today, y'all. So here's the colors. And they look really good. I'm not seeing any static. You got 2 of those. That's the skin tone, I'm sure. But the drills look really good. I'm not seeing any, you know, trash or anything in it. In the bags, anyway. I'm all twisted up here. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. I'm sure that's 310, yeah. 4 bags of black, and then those. So, let me get this rolled back up here. Put them back in, if I can. This is one reason I don't do this. I don't show the drills when I have more than one canvas. Alright, so we're just going to set that to the side for just a second. But like I said, this is a 40 by 40. Has 24 colors. It is symbols and letters. The DMC numbers on the chart. We have a schematic in the top left and one on the bottom right. And if you can see, let's just bring you down. There is the thumbnail, which I don't believe you really need it because you can see the picture very well. The canvas itself, as you've seen, was very sticky. It is extremely clear, y'all. I mean, extremely clear. I just think it's so flippin' good. It is such a good image. Very clear. I mean, I just love it. Y'all, I love it. And I cannot wait to do this one. Alright, so, like I said, this is $11.99 on FGOBY website. And I want to thank them for sending me these canvases to show to all of y'all. That is extremely nice of them. Now, for the next canvas, let's see. Alright. Just put that over to the side. And this one is also a round poured glue. Let me roll it the other way. I don't think I'm going to get the drills out on this one, because I did show you the drills on that one. So, let me pull you back up just a little. So, with this one, same thing. You get regular toolkit, which is your green boat, pink wax, pink single placer pen. The drills are round, and they have the canvas number on them. Now, I'm not real sure what the 418Z is. I don't really know. But, alright, so this is the image that I chose. I have seen this image for years, and I always liked it. Always wanted to do it, but I never did get it. So when I seen that they had this, I was like, oh, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and get it and do it. That is very sticky, y'all. Very sticky. I've got a gnat flying around. Alright. Let me get this paper, or this plastic, this is what I do with my canvases that has this on it. And I'll show y'all another little trick. This is something that I learned. You take one of these straighteners and you do it across here, and it gets all them bubbles, them air bubbles out. I do this every time I get one of these canvases in order to flatten it out and put it in my book. I'll take it and I'll put this straightener on it, and it just takes out all them air bubbles and all the wrinkles and everything. But I do it every time. So, this is called Orange Girl. And this one is $9.99. And it has the thumbnail up here on the top. It has the canvas number, which is on the bags of drills. And we have 20 colors. And we are going to be working with letters. There's no DMC numbers on this canvas. I'm going to kill that gnat. I don't know where it came from. It just appeared as soon as I started filming. But, like I said, I have seen this canvas, or this image, and I have always wanted to do it. I don't know why. It's just something about the picture. It's just, she's pretty. She's just very, very pretty with that red hair and green eyes. I don't know. I just thought she was very pretty. But it's very clear. Very clear. And I think it looks pretty good. And they've got the light color, or the light letters on the dark background. And then they have the darker letters on the lighter backgrounds. So that's good. But the color palette, as you can see, is going to be just a lot of orange. And then there's some yellows and greens. A lot of different shades of orange and red. But I thought they were very pretty. So, which one's y'all's favorite? Y'all, I gotta say the Sanderson sisters for me. I love that show. It's my favorite Halloween show. I like the Sanderson sisters, Hocus Pocus, and there's a handful of them, but I have to watch this every year. I mean, I just have to. So, again, I want to say thank you to FGOBY. I will leave a link to these canvases and to FGOBY in my description box. But yeah, and right now also, y'all, it is a buy 3, get 1 free. And they have free shipping if you get anything over $49.99. And they've got all kinds of canvases. They've got tools. They've got cross stitch, paint by number, you name it, they've got it. So, yeah, I think these are very nice. And I just, like I said, I appreciate FGOBY for letting me show these to you. And I guess until my next video, y'all, I will see all of y'all later. Bye, y'all.